Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 71 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be looking at exercises 107 and 108. And again, we're mixing up patterns, so take your time and buckle your seatbelts.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Exercise 107 and 108 actually play around with the interval of the fourth in different combinations. So kind of notice that as you're going through this and see how that relates to the interval of the fourth, because we have that fourth interval on the third note in 107 and the second note on 108. Here is exercise 107. Is exercise 108. And I did take a breath on that last one just because, I don't know, that was just harder and taxed my breath a little bit. I think I could go a little bit faster, but I'd have to get a little bit more used to that pattern. I'm still trying to navigate that fourth jump. So you might find with yourself too, take the breaths when you need it. I could probably make it all the way through, but I'd sound like I was choking at the end. Just never fun. So yeah, take your time and play around with those.